Hello, everyone. So, in this brand new and exciting series of courses and comprehensive videos, I'm going to meticulously show you a very detailed repository that I'm currently putting together, specifically about the Google ADK, which I genuinely believe is a truly valuable and incredibly complementary resource. Okay. This is very comprehensive and completely up to date. All right. For you to run there, I really like Google ADK in the agent framework. I think there's a lot of software engineering behind it. Really cool. Okay. And I want to show you a bit here of what we did in the structure of the repository, which is public. The link is down below. Okay. You can use it. Myanmar, Laos, and Cambodia. So we already have our very first agent successfully and fully up and currently running here right now. When exactly does the upcoming 2025 to 2026 National Basketball Association season officially commence? All right, I am now diligently searching the vast expanse of the web for this specific information. Scheduled for October 21st. Look how interesting that is. So, what exactly has significantly changed in the overall Champions League format? 25, 26, you know how it is, right? That's sports appeal. Oops, here comes a really nice description. A single league phase with more participating teams, a comprehensive standings table, an increased number of games, and clear qualification pathways for the exciting knockout stage. This is indeed very good, everyone. So, this initial very comprehensive video from our official Google ADK repository will be readily available to you right now, fully and completely updated. A very big hug to you all, and we will see you in the very next video.